Welcome to Global Online University. Friends, I am Bahubali. In this video, we are going to discuss some important MCQs on communication for your upcoming Northeast Set examination. Friends, as you all know, for your Northeast Set examination, we are providing you 40 mock tests for paper 1 only at rupees 599. And friends, these 40 tests are very helpful to boost your paper 1 preparation. And friends, these 40 tests are best way to keep an eye on your preparation. And friends, here also the first test is free. You can come and check your score. If you are having any confusion related to our test, how to give and how we are going to give you scores and all, you can give first test. It is for free. And friends, and also one more good news for you. With this 40 test, we are providing you 1000 MCQs for paper 1. It means 100 MCQs on each section with PDF solution, and here you will find the answers and with solution. These 1000 MCQs plus these 40 mock tests are very helpful to boost your paper 1 preparation. I think here enough preparation will be done for your paper 1. That is also at very minimum price. We are charging only 599 rupees. Okay friends, here to join this mock test, you can contact to this number. The number is displayed on the screen. Here you will get 40 mock tests. Okay friends, and with 40 you can also download the PDF of mock test where we are giving solutions and all. Okay, and also you can discuss on MCQs in this WhatsApp group. You can clarify your doubt. Okay friends, let us move to the questions. Okay, here the first question is: the first multilingual news agency of India was option A Samachar, option B API, option C Hindustan Samachar, option D Samachar Bharati. Friends, here the right answer is option C Hindustan Samachar. Please remember the answer. And friends, remember this information about Hindustan Samachar. Hindustan Samachar is the first multilingual news agency in India, subscribed by more than 200 newspapers, and also it includes the TV channel, that is Doordarshan. Okay, this information you have to remember here. Let us move to the next question. Here the next question is: MC National University of Journalism and Communication is located at option A Lucknow, option B Bhopal, option C Chennai, option D Mumbai. Friends, here the right answer is option B Bhopal is the correct answer. And MC here, MC means Makkanlal Chaturvedi Rashtriya Patrakrita Vishwavidyalaya. Okay, please remember this abbreviation. And this founded in the year of 1991, and it is also non-profit public higher education institution. Please remember this. It is a non-profit public higher education institution. It is located in the Bhopal. Okay, let us move to the next question. The study of gestures and body postures for their impact on communication is known as option A kinesics, option B proxemics, option C semantics, option D informal channels. Friends, here the right answer is option A kinesics is the right answer. And friends, what do you mean by kinesics? I hope you know this. Kinesics, which comes from the Greek word for movement. Okay, please remember this. For some time question will be asked on this. Okay, it is the technical term for what people call body language. Okay, kinesics, it includes hand and arm gestures, facial expressions, posture, eye behavior, and movements of the body, legs and feet. Okay, it is the form of non-verbal communication. Okay, when we are nodding the head, okay, when we are shaking hands. Okay, these all comes under the kinesics. Okay, let us move to the next question. Researcher divides the population into PG, graduates and 10+2 students, and using the random digit table he selects some of them from each. This is technically called option A stratified sampling, option B stratified random sampling, option C representative sampling, option D none of the above. Friends, everywhere we are facing question on types of sampling. Okay, please study in a better way here. And here the right answer is option B stratified random sampling. And friends, stratified random sampling means here a researcher is going to divide the whole population into some strata, or we can say subpopulations. Okay, and by using random sampling he will choose the strata. Okay, I hope you got this. Let us move to the next question. Diffusion of routine information takes place through option A downward communication, option B upward communication, option C horizontal communication, option D external communication. Here the correct answer is option A. It is known as the downward communication. Okay friends, and what do you mean by downward communication? Okay, it occurs when information or message is flowing through and in the organization in a formal way from in a hierarchical structure. It means we can say messages and orders starts at the upper level and flow to the bottom level. For example, whenever we receive any notification from the head of the institution, then it will be sent to the teachers or lecturers, then it will be converted to the it will be given to the students. This is known as the downward communication. Okay, it means the information or messages will flow from upper level to the bottom level. So this is known as the downward communication. Please remember it. Let us move to the next question. The science of the study of feedback systems in humans, animals and machines is known as option A cybernetics, option B reverse communication, option C selectivity study, option D response analysis. Here the right answer is option A cybernetics is the correct answer. Okay, please remember the answer. And what do you mean by cybernetics? Okay, cybernetic, it is the scientific study of control and communication in the animal and the machine. Okay, just remember this much information, it is enough here. Okay, cybernetics, it is the study of control and communication in the animal and the machine. Okay, let us move to the next question. Using the central point of the classroom, communication has the beginning of a dynamic pattern of ideas is referred to as option A systemization, option B problem orientation, option C idea protocol, option D mind mapping. Friends, here the correct answer is option D mind mapping is the right answer. And friends, mind mapping, it is a powerful note taking method. Please remember mind mapping it is a note taking method. Friends, I also tell you about our 1000 MCQs and 40 tests. Okay, here if you subscribe to our 1000 MCQs and 40 tests, these are available only at 599 rupees. I think it is very minimum amount. You are getting huge information here. I think if you subscribe for these 40 tests, okay, you will get 1000 MCQs also with this, and here enough preparation will be done for your paper 1 and you all know the importance of paper 1. Okay, let us see the next question. Which of these is the external sounds present in the channel of communication? Okay, option A noise, option B semantic problems, option C cultural barriers, option D over communication. Friends, here the right answer is yes, it is very easy question. I hope you knew the answer. Here the right answer is noise. Okay, noise means it is an external sound present in the channel of communication which result in the reduction of the audibility. So it is known as the noise. It is a barrier to the communication. In the day-to-day life you will experience it. Okay, for example, when teacher is teaching in the classroom, okay, if any sound is coming from the outside, okay, it is known as the noise in the communication. Okay, here the next question is dash are the problems arising from expression. Option A cultural barriers, option B semantic problems, option C wrong assumptions, option D selecting perception. Friends, here the right answer is option B semantic problems is the correct answer. Please remember it. Okay, semantic problems are the problems arising from facial expression. Okay, from the expression or transmission of meaning in communication. Please remember, semantic problems are problems arising from expression or transmission of meaning in communication. Okay, the next question is dash means to impart understanding of the message. Option A encoding, option B receiver, option C decoding, option D feedback. Dash means to impart understanding of the message. When students are understanding your lecture, it means they are decoding it. Yes, the right answer is option C decoding. Okay, when we want to send message, we have to encode it. When people are receiving it, then they have to decode it. I hope you know this. Okay, decoding means to impart the understanding of the message. So receivers are going to decode the message. Okay, the next question is the most powerful barrier of communication in the class is option A, noise in the classroom, option B, confusion on the part of teacher, option C, more outside disturbances in the classroom, option D, lack of teaching aids. Friends, here we are seeing that four options are given here and all the four options are correct. Yes, noise in the classroom, it is also barrier to the communication. Confusion on the part of teacher, it is also barrier. Outside disturbance, lack of teaching aids, yes, these are also problems to the classroom communication. But here we have to see very near answer, okay, which is the major, which is playing very important role, okay, in disturbing the communication, that is confusion on the part of a teacher. So option B is the right answer. If there are no teaching aids are available, however we can conduct our class, but if teacher is facing the problem, if teacher is having confusion, means it is very important barrier to the communication. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Okay, the last question is postmodernism is associated with option E newspapers, option B magazines, option C radio, option D television. Here the right answer is postmodernism is related to television. Okay, please remember it. Okay friends, this is about our today's session, and once again I would like to remind you about our 40 tests for paper 1 preparation with 1000 MCQs. On each unit you are getting 100 MCQs. I think this much is enough for your paper 1 preparation. If you subscribe for this 40 tests and 1000 MCQs, you can focus more on your paper 2. So these tests and 1000 MCQs are very helpful, and to join our 40 tests and 1000 MCQs you can contact to this number. The number is also displayed on the screen, and I also give in the description box, and the number is 8179138413. Okay friends, thank you very much for KSET, for UGC NET, for more Maharashtra SET examination. Okay, you can subscribe to our Global Online University YouTube channel. Thank you.